the next generation smart string grid forming S. Now what this technology is, let's suppose you have a power supply from solar panels right to your home, and now in between their storage units are there. Now what will happen, they form a grid, right? They take input from solar panels, right? When the supply is normal from solar panels, they will supply the current to your homes. Now when there is a problem from input side from solar panels, then what these units will do, whatever they have stored energy in their units, they will supply that energy to your house. That is what switching microgrid is, right? Until unless you are normally getting from solar energy, now you are getting from storage unit. That is called switching from normal pathway to stored energy pathway, right? This is what the next generation smart string grid farming is. Now this storage system is like inverter in your home, right? When you are getting normal supply, it's okay that everything is functional, but once there is no electricity supply from externally, then your stored energy will be used for your house power system, right? Something similar to that this system is the next generation smart string grid. Okay, so what is the advantage is that it gives uninterrupted power supply, right? Here a new announcement. The students want to increase their reading comprehension escalation power, right? If you want to do in CSAT 26-27 questions of comprehension in 1 hour, right? That needs psychic ability, right? Not reading ability. Reading ability in the sense what you are following from throughout the years of academics will not work simply, right? You need more clean reading ability by use of Norman Lewis and Urdhana Praveen reading model. If you practice those model based principles, your reading capacity, assimilation capacity, flexibility of your mind will increase, right? That is what more needed to process every kind of information and reach to the conclusion, right? So normal reading ability is not going to suffice, right? Next, UPSC Prelims 2027 target students can subscribe enough stack method powered magazines, right? Where newspaper topics are converted into mostly UPSC demand topics, right? If in newspapers are contributing 1%, that has to be converted into UPSC format with enough stack tech, right? That is what main document is you required for UPSC preparation, right? And same is goes for mains also. Okay, you can subscribe on Bygraph website. Okay, you can subscribe and comment if you have any query. Thank you.